Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be trying out some hair extensions from Wish. So if you guys have the app or you've gone online and looked at the website, I don't know if it's just you or maybe it's just the things that I look at. You know, our computers are tracking us all the time, but it is full of like cheap, like straight up cheap, dirt cheap hair extensions. And some of them are like $8, $15, $20. And I'm just like, how good can these actually be? Like, even if they're not human hair, even if they're just like you put in and they're like curled or whatever, like how good can these really be? Like, I just can't imagine that they can look good. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna try them. And so I ordered 3 different types. So I ordered one that had more of an ombre to it. I ordered one that was a light blonde, and I ordered one that has like the little string thing. I've always been fascinated by the ones with the string. I don't know. I'm like, how can this even work? So let's open them up first, take a look at them, and then I'm going to try each of them on. Now, before I get into trying them on and opening them, I just wanted to make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you make sure that you get updated. And if you want to make sure that you actually get notifications from my channel, and I know it's kind of annoying, but if you do click the bell for notifications, it will notify you that I posted. Even if you don't have time to watch when I upload, at least you know that I actually uploaded. Alrighty, now I'm ready to get started. So I've looked at the Wish app several times, but I was always kind of like deterred because 1, you just never know what you're going to get, and 2, the shipping time always seemed so long. It seemed like it took forever. Well, I noticed that they had some items that were listed as like rush ship that were going to come in like 3 to 5 days, and I was like, ooh, I think I could do that because I like instant gratification. I don't want to wait 3 months for my items. So all the hair extensions I got all were fast shipping. So they came within like literally like 2 days. They came so fast. So they all came in these like silver envelopes. There was no designation as far as being from Wish, but they all came separately in these little envelopes. All right, so here is the first package. It was really hard to tell online what color would match me, so this might be a complete fail, but here's what the extensions look like. They are a tiny bit dark for my hair, but I think that I could make them work. It's so hard because like platinum is like white or it's like really yellow, and my hair is kind of like in between. So all right, these are the Snowy Light clip-in hair extensions, and it says shampoo extensions like you wash your own hair and lay them flat to dry. I don't believe these are human hair. So I think these are ones that you, like, they come curled, so you just like pop them in, wash them, and then they just like dry up curly. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. I will insert the name and the price right here so you guys can see what these would cost. All right, so they do have the pretty standard clip-ins that I've seen on any that I've ever used, and they do have a couple extra clips. So let's take a look. So here is like the length of the hair. It's a pretty good, decent length. I haven't had long hair in so long. I don't know. Maybe these won't look so bad. I wanted them to look more natural and not so like yellow. I feel like so many of the platinum hair extensions are so yellow. But okay, I'm excited to try these on and see how they look and see if I can make these work. I feel like there's a decent amount of hair. Like when you look at the thickness, I think that should be good. I mean, I don't have very much hair. I only have like a tiny bit, so this is actually thicker than the hair I have, so I should be good there. All right, so the next set that I got, these look like they're from the same brand. I guess these ones are supposed to be the ombre ones. They don't look very ombre to me, but I guess these are supposed to be the ombre ones because these ones are definitely not ombre. These ones are just highlighted. Oh my gosh, these are so long. Oh, let's see. Again, I still think they might be a little bit dark, but I don't know, like up at my roots. We'll have to see. I think, let's see. These ones are longer and they look actually really thick. And again, I don't think these are human hair. I think these are just synthetics. I don't wear clip-in extensions very often, so if you were going to wear them a lot, you would obviously want to get human hair. But I just wear them like for fun occasionally, so they don't look bad. Like I don't mind that they're not human hair. Especially if you just want to play around or have it for a fun night out or Halloween. It's like, why invest in a really expensive pair of hair extensions if you're really not going to wear them? All right, last but not least. Oh, so all of these are from the same brand. So it's hard to tell when you're on there. Okay, so these ones have a lot less hair. These are probably the band. These are probably the band. Yes, these are the band. Actually, I think this color might match the best of all of them. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna get my flat iron plugged in. I'm gonna put some curl in my hair and we're gonna try these on. Now, I'm not gonna be too harsh if the color's off because obviously I picked the color, so, you know, can't be hating on them too much for that. Alrighty, let's try the headband one first. So it looks like this is just like this is a triple weft and it's just all the way around. I'm gonna divide my hair here. Now I'm just kind of pulling my hair out around the band. All right. So now let me curl my hair in. I think these ones would definitely work better for people who have longer hair. Alrighty, so I've had a chance to kind of look at the hair, see how it looks in the back, and we got major mullet status. If I wore this out, I would end up on the Is This Your Client Instagram because it's a no-go. I like the concept of these kinds of extensions. I think they'd be really great for someone who just needs fullness. So if you already have middle to long hair, I think this could be great to add a little bit of fullness to your hair, especially if you just want to curl it and just throw something in for the price. I mean, it would be nice to just have the ease of throwing this in. I would not recommend this for anyone who has like a mid to shorter hair length like mine. That's a no-go. There's not enough in the front to cover, and there's not enough blending in the back. And even if I wanted to like blend layers into the hair, I just couldn't do that because of the lack of thickness, that there's just not enough hair to blend this going on. It's just, no blending. So the only way I could even possibly remotely think about wearing these is if I put them in some sort of like updo, like I braided them, or, you know, I could do like a little bun here and like put it down to the side. I think that could be really cute. I feel like you could like kind of make that work, but you'd have to definitely blend the back to the front. Like, see, for this, like, I feel like I could wear this in a video and make it look cute, but I could never wear them down straight. But I mean, if you are just going to prom or something and you just want a little something, something, like $6, like, you know. You also could maybe just tie it around your ponytail or something like that to make it a little bit thicker. But overall, for short hair, for every day, I would give it a no. Alrighty, so let's take a look at this next set. This is the first set I opened up. This is supposed to be the ombre set, but it is clearly not ombre. I was hoping the ends would be more platinum because it said like dark blonde to light blonde. I think if they were a little more platinum, that they would have matched a little bit better. I would just say that these are solid color, which is fine. It's just not quite exactly what I was expecting. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these babies in and let's see how they look. Now, granted, I have really short hair, so I know blending these is gonna be a little ridiculous, and honestly, they would look much better if I cut them shorter. I know that, but we're just playing today. All right, so I have these extensions in. So here is the length of them. I mean, for being synthetic, they don't feel like totally horrible. I mean, they are a step up from doll hair, but I mean, granted, again, these are very inexpensive hair extensions. These ones I paid $11 for, and I do think there are a lot of tips and tricks you can do to hide this hair underneath. You can like braid it or pin it up or something, because that's going to be your biggest tell sign, is like having that hair right there kind of hanging out. But overall, I think they look a lot better than the last ones. They're a little tangly and such. I think I could wear these out? It depends on how they look in the back. Could I wear them for a photo or for video? It's hard to tell just having such a little mirror. I'd have to go in, look at them a little bit more. But I think that I probably could get away with it if I had something specific. Again, I could always, put them in a ponytail, put them in a little braid. I mean, it is cute as far as like updos and things. I do like the feeling of these as far as they feel comfortable. They don't feel like they're pulling on my hair too much. Alright, so here's kind of the back and side view. Do I feel like I could wear these out? Yes. I feel like the curl is a little 80s poofiness. You definitely can tell it's synthetic. I think that if I worked with it, I could get it to look passable, especially like if I kind of like tucked it in a little bit. I mean, obviously my hair is short, so you can see a little bit of where my layers are, but my hair is fine. So I feel like a hairstylist would definitely be like, oh girl, you got some clip-ins in. But like average people would probably have no idea. And I definitely could layer them a little bit to make them blend a little bit better. But overall, for $11, I don't think they look bad. I mean, do they look great? No, but I don't think they look bad. So, I don't think the color matches as bad as I thought. But man, if these were just a little lighter on the ends, they would have been perfect. You probably think I'm just ridiculous for trying these. What did I expect for $11? Hey, some of these girls, you want to be diva on a budget, so I'm testing it out for you. I kind of wish I could grow my hair this long though. Wouldn't that be awesome? Okay, so these are my last pair. I definitely think these are darker than what my hair is now. Like they match like my roots so good. Like look at that root match. It's just they're a little darker on the ends. But I have been going, there's hair everywhere. I have been going a little darker with my hair as far as like letting my roots come in a little natural. So I think these might be ones that would start to match me more in the future. So here's the color comparison. So this is the first one. You can tell it's a lot more golden platinum. This is the last one. This is the ones I just tried. And holy cow, these ones are even longer. What was I thinking? Well, I guess I'm going to be Rapunzel today. All right, should we see if I can curl these, if they'll melt? Let's try it. Oh, it just went straight. Yeah, I definitely think no go on the curling. I just killed that piece for science. Now I'll forever be like, why did I do that? I killed this hair. Well, I wanted to see what it'd do. These ones were also $11. And that one will forever be straight. Have as many, but I totally could borrow some from the other set and add a few more in. Might be a good idea. I like that this one in the front seems really light. I think that helps. Okay, so I'm going to take my bottom here. I think as is, these ones don't have quite as many clips. I feel like they're not blending quite as well, but I do like the color as far as like it's darker. It's just the curl is just like different, than what I'm used to. So the color of this with the highlights is growing on me more and more, but I would not wear them out just with these. I feel like there's not enough hair to blend the back. The back still looks pretty thin right through here, but I definitely could add in some of these other pieces to help blend it and combine the two. I am like freaking Rapunzel with this. This is so long. I've never had hair this long. I'm obviously having shedding, but again, you know, $11 hair extensions. Look at this piece. Look at this piece. Look what I've done. Look what I've done. I'll just cut it off. I think the highlights do help blend it with my natural hair color a little better, but it's just not quite enough hair. You definitely could order 2 sets. I mean, for $11, my goodness. So, what do you guys think? Which ones do you guys like best? Do you think I should do A, B, or a mix of A and B? Alright guys, tell me what you think down below. Would you guys ever try hair extensions from Wish? Do you guys think I should try some human hair extensions? I wanted to see how these were with trying these. I think I might actually try those. Let me know if you guys would like to see human hair extensions from Wish or anything else. I do have a couple other things I ordered, which will probably be coming in like, you know, the next 2 to 6 months. But stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!